If you have an email list, here's what you should be making from email every single month. Let's get into this. So let's say you have an email list. Let's say we're going to separate into two groups here. We got lead gen, which is services, coaching, consulting, and then we have e-com stores. Okay. What should you be making from your list if we had 5,000 emails each? Okay. 5,000 emails. 5,000 emails. And then I'm going to go through with you how you can squeeze this amount of money from the list. Okay. You have 5,000 emails. And if you're on lead gen, which you're selling like maybe SaaS, higher ticket coaching consulting, you should be making anywhere from $250 to $3 per month per subscriber. Okay. So $250 to $3 per month per subscriber. If you're an e-com, you should be making anywhere from $1.50 to $2 per subscriber. So what does that look like? If you have a list of 5,000, let's say we go bare minimum. Okay, let's say we completely suck and we can't make that much. Let's take just $2. Let's just go conservative. $2 times 5,000 equals 10K a month. And that might be just selling 2 people on your list a 5K product. 2 out of 5,000 people. Just 2 of them. That's it. So 2 times 5,000 is 10K per month. Let's say half your list isn't even active. Say half the list isn't even active 2 times. You're still at 5K a month. And if you're paying an email copy to write your emails, you're going to be looking at anywhere from 3 to 5K a month. So that's why you need to squeeze as much use as possible out of your emails. If you're on e-com, let's say lowest case scenario is $1. Okay. And then we get times 5K equals 5K a month, okay, per month extra. So you have 5K a month here, 5K a month here. How do we get more out of this email list? And here's a couple things you gotta keep in mind. Number 1 is workflows. Okay, we also call these automations. And the couple go as follow. Number 1 is your welcome series. Your welcome series is going to be, a good 7 days when someone joins your list. They get 1 email a day for 7 days straight. Okay, and this is how you're welcoming them to the ecosystem, what to expect from the list, introducing yourself, going over your story from zero to hero, going over why your product's great, going over some case studies, some testimonials, following you on social, your biggest FAQs. Okay, and then you do a big hard pitch on the last day of the welcome sequence. 2 is browse abandonment. Okay, so browse abandonment, what does that look like? That's retargeting for email. I'm able to, if I send out a blast, which I'll get into in a second here, but if I send out a blast to all 5,000 people, if they click a link and don't book, or if they click a link and don't buy, we can scoop them up with browse abandonment. It's like retargeting, but for email. Okay, then 3 is a win back. A win back is if someone bought your stuff a very long time ago, and you want to reactivate them. So you want to win them back. Hey, you bought this thing from my e-com store 3 months ago. Come back and buy this. Hey, you bought a ticket to an event, or hey, you bought this service or this repair in your home 3 months ago. How else can we help you? You win them back. And then 4th is going to be, and this is more for e-com, is abandoned carts. Being able to recover anywhere from 20 to 25% of your abandoned carts is going to help you get a bigger ROI on your e-com. Okay, on your e-com email revenue. But if you're on the lead gen side, that's what we use browse abandonment for. And then 5 is going to be blasts. This is where you're sending, daily emails. We send daily emails. We use daily emails for different things. We use daily emails to book our calendar. We use daily emails to, get people to join a quick, Zoom. Like I do that a lot where let's say it's Thursday night, I'm doing a Q&A and I'm on Instagram. I'll go to my email list, send it out to the 70,000 people like, hey, join my Zoom right now. And I'll pull 20K out of the room, 30K out of the room just for an immediate, quick Zoom live Q&A. Okay, so where my list is at, like I've done all these things, like I do Q&As. I also do like what I call reply emails where I'm like, hey, here's a special offer. Reply with your phone number and your method of payment, and I'll have a sales rep call you right now and get you signed up. That's where they're replying, which boosts your deliverability and also boosts sales, because people who are willing to reply and say, hey, 914-372-3745, and they put, I'm using a Visa card, bro, those people are ready to buy, okay? So that's where you're gonna then, obviously call them and then you sell, okay? So these are the ways that I'm able to boost my email revenue. If I'm, lead gen, so I'm gonna say here, I use ActiveCampaign. If I'm ecom, I use Klaviyo. So hope this was some good insight for you. If you want us to run your email list and do this all for you, just click the first link in the description, book a call on our calendar. I'd be happy to advise you and get you on our services. So with that being said, click the link below, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.